Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to check your data source details in Power BI. Whether you're troubleshooting a dashboard, double-checking your connections, or just want to make sure your data is coming from the right place, knowing how to quickly access this information is incredibly valuable. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident finding and reviewing your data source details whenever you need them, so let's dive straight in. To get started, we'll need to work within Power Query in Power BI. First, make sure you have your Power BI file open. If you're not sure what Power Query is, it's essentially the workshop inside Power BI where all your data transformation and connection magic happens. Think of it like the control room. It lets you see and edit how your data flows into your reports. Now, to access Power Query, look for the Transform Data button at the top of the Power BI window and click on it. This will pop open the Power Query editor in a new window. It might take a moment to load, especially if your dataset is big or your machine is a little slow, so don't worry if it spins for a second or two. Once you're in Power Query, look towards the top left. You'll see a menu option called Data Source Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This area is like your data connections headquarters. It's where Power BI keeps track of all the places your data is coming from. It's a great habit to check in here every so often, especially if you're collaborating with others or you've inherited a report from someone else, just to make sure everything is in order. After clicking on Data Source Settings, you'll get a pop-up with two tabs. Make sure you've selected the one called Data Sources in Current File. Sometimes it opens by default, but if not, just click over to it. This view is really handy because it shows just the sources used in your current report, not every source Power BI's ever heard of, which keeps things nice and focused. Here you'll see a list of all the data sources for your current Power BI file. This includes databases, web connectors, Excel files, basically wherever your report pulls its information from. You can review the details for each source, such as the file path, server name, database, or even privacy level settings. That's really useful if you ever need to update a connection, migrate your report, or simply audit your data landscape. And honestly, that's all there is to it. Checking your data source details is super straightforward once you know where to look. If you ever find things looking strange in your report or you're unsure if your data is coming from the right place, pop back into this screen for a quick review. Sometimes it's the small checks like this that save the day. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you have any questions or need clarification, drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tips and tutorials just like this. See you in the next video.